Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello English Daily, where you find lots of videos to practice and learn English. Today's video is a story. Follow the story to build your English vocabulary and practice your listening. The story is about a day in London. It starts in the morning and ends at night. Listen carefully. Enjoy. It is early morning in London. The sun is rising. Anna wakes up in her small hotel room near Big Ben. Anna is from Italy. She is happy to visit London for one day. Anna looks out the window. She sees the River Thames. It is shiny in the sunlight. What a beautiful day, she says. She gets up at 7 a.m. First, she washes her face and brushes her teeth. Then, she puts on her coat. It is a little cold in London in spring. Anna goes down to the hotel kitchen for breakfast. She eats toast with butter and jam. She drinks hot tea with milk. English breakfast is yummy. At 8 a.m., Anna walks outside. She wants to see famous places. She takes the red double-decker bus. It is fun to sit on top. The bus goes to Trafalgar Square. There are big lions and tall columns. People take photos. Anna takes a selfie too. Smile, she says to herself. Next, the bus stops near Buckingham Palace. It is the home of the king. The palace is very big and white. Suddenly, the guards change. The guards wear red coats and black hats. They walk with big steps. March, 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 tourists clap and cheer. Anna watches for 10 minutes. This is exciting, she thinks. Now it is 9:30 a.m. Anna feels hungry again. She buys a coffee and a muffin from a street seller. The muffin has blueberries. It tastes sweet. She walks to St. James's Park. There are green trees and colourful flowers. Ducks swim in the lake. Anna sits on a bench. She listens to the birds. Time passes fast. It is 12 p.m. Anna's stomach says, time for lunch. She walks to the South Bank. There is the London Eye. It is a giant wheel. You can go inside and see all of London from high up. But first, lunch. Anna finds a cafe. She orders fish and chips. It is crispy and hot. With it, she has peas and a lemonade. Yum! Real English food, she says. After eating, Anna buys a ticket for the London Eye. She waits in line. Then, up she goes. Slowly, slowly. From the top, she sees everything. Big Ben, the river, tall buildings. Wow, London is so big, Anna says. The ride takes 30 minutes. She takes many photos. It is 2 p.m. now. The sun is warm. Anna walks to Covent Garden. It is a busy market, with shops and street performers. A man plays guitar and sings. People dance and clap. Anna gives him £1. Good job, she says. She shops a little. She buys a red scarf and postcards for her friends in Italy. They will like these, she thinks. At 3:30 p.m, Anna goes to the British Museum. It is free. Inside, there are old things from all over the world. She sees the Rosetta Stone. It helps people read Egyptian writing. And mummies from Egypt. They are 3,000 years old. Anna walks slowly. She reads the signs. This is history, she whispers. It is 5 p.m. Time for tea. Anna finds a tea shop. She orders English tea with scones and clotted cream. The scone is soft. She spreads jam and cream. Perfect, she says. She sits by the window. People walk fast outside. Buses and black taxis go by. London is alive. The sky turns orange. It is 7 p.m. Anna wants to see London at night. She walks to Soho. It has many restaurants. She picks an Italian restaurant. It's funny, but she wants pizza tonight. One day in London, but pizza feels like home. She laughs. Pizza with cheese and tomatoes and a salad. Anna eats slowly. She talks to the waiter. Is London always this fun? She asks. Yes, every day, he says. After dinner, it is dark. There are lights everywhere. Anna goes to Piccadilly Circus. Big screens shine bright colours. People take photos. It feels like a party. She sees a show. Men dance with hats. Tap, tap, tap. Anna claps. It is 10 p.m. Anna is tired but happy. She takes the underground train, which is called the Tube, fast and easy. Back at the hotel, she looks at her photos. What a perfect day, she says. She brushes her teeth and goes to bed. Tomorrow, she goes home. But London is in her heart forever. Good night, London. That was our story. A day in London. You heard words about time, places, food, and actions. Great job listening. If you liked this, subscribe to Hello English Daily for more stories and practice. Watch our other videos too. We talked about London places, daily routines, and food before. They are perfect for review. See you next time. Bye.